Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on and where to find the option for lift the phone to wake the screen up. So, first of all, we have to go to settings, of course. And in settings, we are looking for our advanced features. And here in motion and gestures, we have lift to wake. Let's turn it on and let's see if it works. We turn off our phone and wake up. It's turned on. Great. Works as intended. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.